Over the past month, I've been updating parts of my video setup. You guys have seen me using the Varavon SlideCam V800 for a few months. Now I'm taking things to another level. Those who follow KABOOtech on social media will already know what I'm talking about. I am now rocking the Varavon 815 fluid video head for silky smooth panning applications, but it's also an integral component for the real purpose of this video, my new Varavon Tilt Jib T1, and I want to tell you all about it. So tilt jibs or cranes are great for dynamic stabilized motion shots. They offer a lot of control, and when coupled with a fluid video head in Varavon's case, gives me not only a vertical plane of movement, but independent vertical panning of the camera. This means I can track a subject when I'm lowering or raising the tilt jib. You also get a small amount of lateral panning through the fluid video head. But let's step it back for a moment. What do you need and what do you get? You need a good tripod. The heavier duty, the better. Mine is adequate, but it could do with an upgrade. You need a fluid video head, and the 815FH by Varavon has an excellent price point, so check it out in the description below. And of course, you need the Tilt Jib T1 itself. It comes parceled in a really sturdy and protective bag, padded with straps and pockets internally to keep things secure. The whole kit is only around 2 kilos. You have the pulley wire kit, camera fixing dials and locking pin, weights connecting parts, and the 3.3 foot or 1 meter tilt jib with a camera plate at the end and the arm plate 70 centimeters down the shaft. The arm plate should be positioned as close to the center of the tripod. The plate allows various positioning options. Next, you position the pulley wire around the arm plate and camera plate with a loose tension. I've positioned the T1 in a way as to have the main shaft parallel with the ground with the camera plate in a level position. Then I fix it in place with the locking pin and twist the turnbuckle to adjust the tension on the pulley system. Next I place the camera on the camera plate, locking it with the dial. Again, you have multiple options here. I apply weights to counterbalance the camera and find a stable scenario. You could tweak the layout of the tilt jib to fine tune that level. I've discovered with the small size of the T1, I can actually keep it in the carry case nearly fully assembled, so setup each time is really quick. The T1 can handle a maximum load of 3 kilos, but optimal working conditions is around 1 to 2 kilos. I can use this in conjunction with my slider or just the tripod as I have been doing. If I had a second fluid head, I could handle the panning at the camera plate with the fluid head mounted directly onto it. The build of the T1 is seriously amazing. It looks well made, feels well made, and the main beam, while not being very heavy, holds a strong vertical load and free from warpage thanks to its H-beam design. Like any video gear, it's only as good as its user and the camera used to record, so I apologize for any wonky shots thus far. Links are provided for the Varavon Tilt Jib T1 in the description, so check them out. I'm Kurt, and this is KABOOtech. See you next time.